Congratulations! You made it onto this page. Welcome to the rest of your life. In just 2 minutes from now, I'm going to share with you the money-making secret that ensures that absolutely anyone can earn thousands of dollars in no time at all. Ordinary people just like you are turning $5 into $5,000 right now using this secret. In fact, in 20 minutes from now, you could be making money. How? By trading cryptocurrency. Just look at the profits I've made in just 10 months by trading on the crypto markets. That's $1,183,208.26. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've heard of Bitcoin. But what you probably don't know is that you could be trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to make huge sums of money quickly and easily. You see, Bitcoin is the multi-billion-dollar phenomenon that has taken the world by storm for the past year, allowing ordinary people with no financial or trading experience to make thousands of dollars by doing no more than clicking their computer mouse. Thanks to this powerful new technology, absolutely anyone can get rich by trading cryptocurrencies, if they have the right method, that is. And that's why you need Crypto Cash for Beginners. This powerful method is absolutely essential for trading success and has been tailor-made for complete beginners. From today, you can make money in minutes by doing no more than sitting in front of your laptop and making the trades that Crypto Cash for Beginners tells you to make.
I had heard of Bitcoin, but I thought it was just something that pro traders use to make money. I had no idea that someone like me can make money with cryptocurrency. Since discovering the secret, I have made thousands of dollars every single day.
I still can't quite believe it. I'm making thousands of dollars on a daily basis by doing something as simple as buying and selling online currency. Discovering Crypto Cash for Beginners is the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Making $5,000, $10,000, or even $15,000 is entirely possible when you know exactly which trades to make. Over the past 8 months, Bitcoin has seen some phenomenal highs, as much as $20,000 per coin, as well as some sharp declines. But what non-traders don't know is that the price of Bitcoin doesn't actually matter. The way to make money is from successful daily trades. Every day, the price of each cryptocurrency fluctuates. And so long as you buy when the price is low and then sell when the price goes up, you'll be in the money. Where most beginners fail is they don't know when to buy and when to sell. But with Crypto Cash for Beginners, you will know exactly which currency to buy and when to hold, and when to sell. Just take a look at these profits. With Crypto Cash for Beginners, the money-making potential of the cryptocurrency market is truly mind-blowing. And what's even more unbelievable is that thanks to this powerful method, absolutely anyone can make money. It doesn't matter if you have no prior trading experience or if you know nothing at all about Bitcoin, because Crypto Cash for Beginners takes care of everything for you. Here's how it works. On 2 or 3 days each week, I'll send you an email telling you exactly which trades to make. From there, all you have to do is quickly and easily make those trades, and then boom, you're in profit. And don't worry for a second about how to place those trades, as when you join Crypto Cash for Beginners, you'll also receive a comprehensive beginner's guide, which will tell you precisely how to trade step by step. Zero stress, zero hassle. Just enormous profits in minutes. My name's Edward Clark, and for the 10 months I've been trading cryptocurrency, I've made a staggering $1,183,208. That's right, I've made over $1 million from the easiest job in the world. And now I'm here to help you do the same. And just so we're clear, I had no background in finance, no prior trading experience, no college degree, and I wasn't even one of the top students in high school. But none of that mattered, because once you have the right method, making money from trading cryptocurrency is easy. Just under a year ago, I was sitting in a bar in my hometown when a guy walked in who really stood out from the rest of us. He was wearing a nice suit, a designer watch, and he had an aura about him, like he owned the place. But It wasn't until he called to the barman to order a beer that I recognized his voice and realized that he was one of my old buddies from high school, Freddie Parker. I hadn't seen Freddie in more than 12 years, and boy, had he changed. Back then, he was chubby, introverted, and had no sense of style whatsoever. So, of course, I was dying to talk to him and find out what he'd been up to for the past decade. He gave me a friendly nod of recognition. He took a seat on the bar stool beside mine, and we started chatting. And after going over all the usual stuff, how our families were, funny stories about teachers, which classmates had married whom, he told me about something called Bitcoin. Being a bit of a computer nerd, he'd started trading Bitcoin early, well before anyone else had even heard of it. And over the years, he'd learned some invaluable tricks and earned himself a lot of money. Freddie told me that he now had a penthouse apartment in the city, a 5-bedroom house at the beach, a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, a Mustang, a yacht, a beautiful wife, and that he worked for less than 20 minutes per day from anywhere in the world. Needless to say, I was incredibly jealous. I wanted to know more about how he made so much money and if there was any chance that I could do the same. But I knew nothing about Bitcoin, and I was certainly no computer nerd. I ordered a couple more beers, and we got to chatting about my life. I told him how things hadn't been great since high school. I certainly wasn't living the dream. I worked in a motorbike repair shop, worked long hours for mediocre pay, and came home every night tired, grumpy, and covered in engine grease. I told him that I had a 4-year-old daughter, that her mother had left us when she was just 18 months old, and that I was raising her with my own mother, the 3 of us living in a small 2-bedroom house. It was hard to believe that 2 friends of the same age from the same high school could now be leading such drastically different lives. But Freddie wanted to help me. He said that I could easily make as much money as he makes, and that getting rich from Bitcoin isn't difficult. Right then and there, he whipped out a pen, flipped over a paper menu, and started jotting down a beginner's guide to trading cryptocurrency. I couldn't believe it. His instructions were so simple. Even a non-tech-savvy simpleton like me could understand it. I was ecstatic. I couldn't thank him enough. As soon as I got home that evening, I switched on my laptop, hopped online, and started following Freddie's instructions. Right away, I was ready to trade, and so I did. It took me a few attempts to get started. On my first trade, I made $22. Then $67. Then I made my first trade of more than $100. I couldn't believe it. I didn't even make $100 in a full day's work, and now I'd made it in a minute. But my profits kept rising. $163 trade, $199 trade, $239 trade, $278 trade. I'd become a trading pro instantly. From that day, my life changed forever. In less than a week, I was more than $20,000 in profit, and that figure kept rising. After a couple of months, I quit the job I hated. I moved my family from our small 2-bedroom house to a lavish 5-bedroom house in the country. I bought my first car and gave a swift middle finger to the bus as it passed by. I updated my wardrobe, bought a new phone, new laptop, and I just got back from my 4th vacation of the year. And the real beauty of this work is I can trade using Wi-Fi at the beach bar. Honestly, my life couldn't be better. But I know how it feels to be where you are now, and I want to help you. That's why I created Crypto Cash for Beginners. I want to give you the exact same golden opportunity that Freddie gave to me. I want to help you to start making the crazy profits that I've been making. But I'm actually giving you much more than Freddie gave me. As well as a comprehensive trading guide for beginners, I'm also giving you daily cryptocurrency tips. Each and every day, I'll tell you exactly how to trade so you can copy my profits to the penny. The money-making potential of the cryptocurrency market is incomparable, and there are hundreds of currencies to choose from, with new ones cropping up every day. Between the 9th of April and the 10th of May, 2018, the value of 0x ZRX increased by 244%. Between the 4th of April and the 30th of April 2018, the value of Tron, TRX, increased by 223%. And between the 30th of May and the 3rd of June 2018, the value of Callisto, CLO, increased by 266%. And those are just a few recent examples of how rapidly the value of a cryptocurrency can increase to give you an idea of how much money there is to be made. And with Crypto Cash for Beginners, you'll never miss a winning trade. In this business, $1,000 days are normal. For a money-making guide such as this, you'd probably expect to pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Well, I'm not going to ask you for hundreds or thousands of dollars. I make more than enough money each day from trading. My only goal now is to help you do the same. That's why I'm asking you for a small, one-time payment of the price you see below this video. That's it. Pay just once and receive my comprehensive trading guide for beginners right now. And then trading tips from me for life. What are you waiting for? And let's not forget that this is a completely risk-free offer, as your purchase is protected by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So if you're not happy, I'll give you all of your money back. You have nothing to lose and a lifetime of wealth to gain. But if you want to get your hands on my trading guide and crypto tips, then you need to act quickly. As much as I'd like to help everyone with my tips, I simply can't. Doing so would affect the profitability of our trades, and at some point, I will have to take this offer down. Now is the time for you to take action and change your life forever. Forget about work, rent, and debt. When you're a pro crypto trader, you could enjoy a life of financial freedom. Go shopping, spoil your family, buy a new car. Anything is possible when you're turning $5 into thousands of dollars with Crypto Cash for Beginners. Absolutely anyone can use this method to make money in minutes. So what are you waiting for? You do not want to miss the money-making opportunity of a lifetime. Make the smart decision now and change your life forever. And I'll speak to you again in just a moment.